Class 7, Subject English, Chapter 3.2 The Welcome English Workshop. Question 1. List the characters in this play. Write how it is related to Chaturbhuj. Answer. Characters. Relation to Chaturbhuj. 1. Nil Ratan, a villager. 2. Zamindar, the landowner of his village. 3. Satu, Chaturbhuj's uncle. 4. Maid, a maidservant of his family. 5. Mother, Chaturbhuj's mother. 6. Little boy, seems to be his younger brother. 7. Aunt, Chaturbhuj's aunt. 8. Little girl, seems to be his younger sister. 9. Hari, Chaturbhuj's uncle. 10. Sadhucharan, a villager. 11. Paran, a villager. Question 2. Find and list the incomplete sentences of Chaturbhuj. Answer 1. Chaturbhuj, directly after MA exams over I. 2. Bought it, the subject I didn't offer. 3. That's right, there are so many examinations. Question 3. From the groups, discuss and write what Chaturbhuj would like to hear from the following people. Chaturbhuj, I have passed my MA examination. Answer. Nil Ratan, wow, great news. Zaminder, very nice, God bless you. Uncle Satu, oh, congratulations. Mother, good, we are proud of you. Aunt, very good news, congrats. Sadhu Charan, great, congratulations. Paran, hearty congratulations. Question 4. Enact the play. Do with your friends. Question 5. Then prepare 2 tables. How to be a good listener. 1. Look at the speaker. 2. Pay close attention to the speaker. 3. Try to guess the meaning of some new unfamiliar words. 4. Keep on listening if you doesn't understand the speaker. 5. Keep on listening if you don't agree with the speaker. 1. Look somewhere else when the speaker is speaking. 2. Distract the speaker. 3. Start yawning. 4. Start clapping and laughing without any reason. 5. Look away through the window